Hi there everyone, I'm Connor Whiteley and welcome to this video where I unpack my brand new tote bag for the Bettie English Returns a Kickstarter, and also this is the death of Graham Adams in a spider tote bag. So sorry about the rings in like my glasses, but it's a particularly dark day as I record this, and I do actually want to see what I'm recording. So, as I mentioned earlier, I'm Connor Whiteley, the author of over 80 books spanning multiple genres like romance, fantasy, science fiction, and my absolute favourite to this point in the time is mystery. And that's why I'm actually doing my Kickstarter. And if you like the tote bag that's been shown on like today's video, then you can now get it through the Bettie English Returns a Kickstarter, which is available until the 27th of July 2023. Yeah, but if you're watching the video after that, then you can also get this on eBay and my own Payhip store. All of these links are available in the product description below. So let's get unpacking. So I have opened this to check the design, just to make sure I'm happy with it, but I really am. I think this tote bag is really nice, so let's unpack it together. And I don't think there's any artistically pleasing way to actually do this at this angle. So this is the so this is the tote bag. So as you can tell, it's it's definitely quite like a big one. So if you wanted a tote bag that's really strong though, it's like to do your like shopping in. Yeah, but then this is made from like great material. It's a great size. So it's got the cover art that's actually inspired by the book, The Death of Graham Adams, and I really hope that it's actually not flipped on the camera screen, but I think it might be, but that's just part of the promo film. And then it's got my author name, and it's got this really handy QR code, which if you're a massive fan of the Bettie English books, or if you actually wanted to check out the mysteries that this tote bag is inspired by, then you can simply scan that QR code, and then it will actually take you to it. So I'm really happy with this. It's a beautiful tote bag, and I'm just so pleased I actually have some merchandise at last. And it's definitely made from a great material. As you can tell, there's plenty of room inside. So not only is it a really beautiful tote bag that all of your friends and family members are actually really jealous of you having, but it's also really practical, which if you've read the Bettie English books before, you know Bettie would definitely approve of. If you like the tote bag today, then definitely check out the video description below though. And if you're watching this during the month of July 2023, then definitely check out the Bettie English Returns Kickstarter. You can get so many great books, great tote bags, and you can also get my wine tote bag, which I have here. So here though, and I have actually done a different video about packing this up. I love both of these products. You're going to love them. These are really useful, and these are also really beautiful. So beautiful in the fact that your friends and family might even be jealous of you, and I definitely think that that's a reason alone to actually buy this stuff. So thanks for watching, and definitely check out the tote bag and the wine tote bag in the product description below. So have a great day everyone.